Okay guys, it's Keith here again. Okay, in the previous video we talked about what Forex is, what losses are, and what profits are. So right now I'm going to go to a live example where you learn more what actually how it looks like to buy and sell currencies. So we're going to head over to TradingView. TradingView just is a platform where you can uh, analyze the market, use some charts and so on. It's not a trading platform, but you can use it in and to see some things which might help in your trading in forex. Okay, so this chart you're seeing here looks like the exact way the MetaTrader 5 or 4 or iCube showing the way it looks like exactly the way it is. So this is the one I'm going to use to show you how buying and selling actually works and how it happens. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a chart about there's a currency called US dollar, and this one I don't know the name of this AUR. Okay, okay, so and this chart type I've used is not really candlesticks. I've used what they call Heikin Ashi. This is for teaching purposes only, but you can also use this in your trading. Okay, I'm using it so that you can see clearly the uptrends and the downtrends. Okay, so this is in blue. Okay, I'm not good at colors. I'm not sure if this is blue or green, but at least you should just get a point. Okay, as you can see, um, this in blue, it means that actually the value was gaining, and this one in red, it means that it was going down. So let me just write this down so that you can uh, see better. Okay, so as you can see here, it was rising, and here uh, okay, and here it was really going down. Okay, as I talked earlier in the previous video, I talked about forex is the buying and selling of currencies. When it's low, you buy. When it's high, you sell. The difference is your profit, and it's your loss in the other way around. So let's say, for example, this point here. Um, which point? Okay, okay. Let's say this point here. As you can see here, the price was high. So here, if you bought here, okay, here we can't buy because um the the value of this currency is very high. If we were to buy here and sell here, we would actually make a loss. It's like you're buying a phone at 500 kwacha, then it loses value, it goes maybe to 200 kwacha, then you sell it. You're not going to make a profit, you're going to make a loss. So to make profit, you're going to buy the currency when it's actually low, on the lowest point. Then when it gains value, when it gains value, when it gains value, it reaches the highest point there, we sell. So let's say, for example, this time maybe it was 200 kwacha, the competition was low. Then it gains value to go here, maybe it reaches 800 kwacha. So the difference is your profit. So you're going to make about a lot of profit from what you've sold here. So this is what forex is in practical terms. Okay. Yeah, so these buttons you can see there's a sell button, a buy button. You're going to see them in MetaTrader 5 or whatever platform you choose. Some might be here or down on the left side or the right side. So actually this is what forex is. That's the buying and selling of currencies and other commodities you might find yourself trading. Okay, I know it looks straightforward here as it looks like, but actually it's not like what it seems. Okay, so this is a course on my website. Is free. If you're watching this from YouTube, click the link in the descriptions, and enrolling my course is free. Okay, so it's bye bye for now. Make sure you enroll and start learning right away. There's a free certificate there included. It's 100% free. Registration is free. Feel free to contact me if you have any other questions. Bye bye for now.